You probably never use this underrated market, but in this video, I'll show you how to use To Win To Nill to boost your profits. So I'll be focusing on the French League One, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Lille and DE Rams. So checking the last 5 matches, you can see that on January 2nd, 2023, only 2 goals are scored. So the method of which we'll be focusing on is the To Win To Nill, and we'll be saying, okay, Lille To Win To Nill, and we'll be using Rams To Win To Nill. So here you can state no team to win to win, and the letter didn't work here. So checking on 9-6-2-23, we can see that Rams did way to me, so whatever did work here, our strategy did work. And going to check on September 26, 2023, we can see that there were 3 goals which were scored. Lille scored 1 and Rams scored 2. So the method didn't work here. Checking to March 2nd, 2024, we can see that only 1 goal was scored, and Lille did score here. So the strategy of Lille To Win To Nill did work on this match. Going to 17 August 2024, you can see that 2 goals are scored by Lille, so our strategy did work again here. So as we are analyzing, we can see that the Lille To Win To Nill did work twice, and Lille Not To Win To Nill did work 3 times, right? Then Rams To Win To Nill only worked once, and Rams Not To Win To Nill worked 4 times. So you'd rather pick the no. For an example, if you see here, you have a chance of picking no or yes from every team. I mean, the team of which you're betting for. So it's your option, but you can see that the one that worked many times is the Rams Not To Score Nil, Not To Win To Nill, right? So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.